What's up, nerds and noobs? It's Whittle Wabbit, and we're playing Hypixel arcade games with a bird. Let's play a game. Which game? Ender's Spleef it is. Hey, don't do that.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Nobody plays this game anymore. Okay. Ooh ee ooh ting ting wada wada bing bing.
Wow.
Into the sun. Come on.
Come on, why is there nobody wanting to play this game? It's a fun game. Hey, stop it. It's a fun game.
You like your ears, my guy. Wow. They're so defined. Maybe we should play a different game. I'm the only player on this lobby. Come on. Does nobody want to play?
We could play another game, I guess.
Which one has the most players? That one has 15.
120, what is this?
Capture the wool? Okay. Something went wrong. Of course something went wrong. Fix it, stupid. Hello, Cody09, Soy Bartix.
He's a VIP, look at him all special.
Well, that's disturbing. Mr. Banana Hammock Villager guy. I don't want to see that. Protect your wool. The first team to capture all enemy wools wins the game. How do I get the wool?
Question mark?
You are on the red team. Okay, what is that supposed to mean? I can't go. Oh, that's lag. I don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing. Not falling in there, that's for sure. Shopkeeper. Can I have TNT? How do I get stuff? I don't understand what I'm doing.
I don't understand.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing. At all? No idea at all? Parkour. Hey, die. Mister. Oh. Well, I killed one guy. I am confusion.
I don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing.
Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? I want to kill you. Come here so I can kill you. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Really? Uh-oh. Why is our wool orange? I thought we were red. Oh.
I don't understand.
Cool. I'm a loser. Oh yeah. I lost a game. Okay, let's play a different game. Are you good? Let's play party games, yeah! What are we playing? Volcano? I don't remember this game. Oh. Okay. That's easy.
Just don't walk on the red ones. We're good.
I'm scared. Oh my gosh. This is so stressful. Avalanche? Oh, is this the one where the snow just falls on you or something? Or something? Or something? What, you're supposed to... Stop trying to eat me. Ow! This is already difficult enough, dude. You need to, like... Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Oh! This game's gonna last a while. This is pretty easy. Oh. Ow! Dude! I'm scared. Wish I could see. Uh-oh. Ah! That was a close one. What? Why are we dying? We can hit each other? Oh my gosh. Well. What is this? Lab escape? Free fall. What is happening? What are we supposed to do? Dig? Okay. Did you just poo on me? Or did you rip out my earring? You ripped out my earring, you freaking butthead. Stop it! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna murder you. Okay, I'm obviously gonna lose this game. Stop! It's all your fault. Stop! Go away. Go away. Go away. Why? Is that the end of the game? Okay, that's the end of the game. What are we? A killing pig? Oh yes, I love this game. Murder, murder, murder. Die. Oh, that was probably a bad one. Let's say minus 50%. Does that mean I lost everything? Stop it! This is a strong wooden sword. Get out of my face. Raphael, I've had enough of you. I just want you to die. Can you just die? Thank you. Ow. Copy the pattern from a large canvas with the blocks provided. What oh, what? Huh? Dirt. Cobble. Brick. No, I said stone, stupid. Stone. Gold. Wood. That's nasty stuff. Okay, now what? Am I just... That was it? Chicken wing, chicken wing. Whee! I do not like that sound. Oh. Get out of my face. Okay, but why do they have to sound like that? Stop. Stop. Stop! Stop! It's gonna be the reason I lose my ear. Dude. For real. You've got it. You've got it. Stop! Gotta stop. Well, I might have won. Probably not. Super sheep. Avoid other players' tails.
Oh, okay.
Stop! So it's Slitherio. Stop. Stop! Go away. Go away. Go away. I hate you. Out of gas? Why am I out of gas? I need to stop moving. Can somebody lose already? Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is getting pretty boring. Why does my sheep need gas? Turn around. Turn around. Stop. Boy, I will send you back to prison. Is that where you want to go? What? What? I can't run into the wall? Okay. That's cool. Hey, look at that! Third place! Woohoo! What is this? Lawnmower. Lawnmower. How much is much grass? What? Mow as much grass. I'm stupid. That's very loud. Ooh, this is my favorite one so far. Mow as much grass as you can.
If you don't quit, you better stop.
I just want to mow the grass, dude. Go away. Go away. Go away. GG.
Okay, well, goodbye to you lovely noobs and nerds.